How to buy Amazon Prime. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can buy Amazon Prime, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to buy Amazon Prime, it's actually quite simple to do so. Just go ahead and first of all open your browser instead, so not your app but your browser, and go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down below, amazon.com/Amazon Prime. Now once you're on this website over here, what you want to do is simply make sure you're logged into your free Amazon account, and then after you've done that, you want to make sure to just tap the Try Prime option. Once you tap the Try Prime option, you'll be able to see all the details and the benefits you get with Prime. But if you scroll down at the bottom, you can just tap on payment method and just make sure to enter your payment method. If you have a credit or debit card, you can enter those. If you have a gift card, you can enter those. Depending upon whatever sort of payment method you have, enter them, tap the continue option, and you'll have successfully bought Amazon Prime. This way you can basically buy Amazon Prime. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.